Oh, let me show you how you can make your very own gingerbread men at home. Let's go. Hello and welcome to Gabe in the Kitchen. There is no festive period that is complete without gingerbread cookies. No 2-hour waiting time in the fridge. This is ready to go as soon as it's made. For this recipe, you're gonna need Now, before you start, make sure you preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but it's over 300. I'll do the conversion. All I'm gonna do is add my honey and what is this? I forgot what this is. Golden syrup. Right, they're a little bit thick. Hold on, I'm gonna need some help. There we go. Now, you can use straight honey, which would be the combined weight, which I think is 150 grams. So you can use straight honey if you want. That makes for a better flavor. Or you can use the split, which I prefer. It makes it a little bit more chewy. And yes, notice I'm in a proper Christmas attire this time. See, last time I was a bit half-hearted, but this time, full effort for you guys. Merry Christmas, everyone. I know it was last week and we're getting to New Year's, so yes, Happy New Year, guys. I hope this year brings everything that you want. I hope all your dreams come true. We'll get that heated. Come closer, guys. Once that's warm, we're gonna add our sugar. Now, you can use granulated sugar. I just find that brown sugar has a bit more chew and a bit more depth of flavor. Now, we're gonna stir that till it comes to a boil. Now, this spice mix, your ground nutmeg and your ground cloves, they are both optional. You do not need them, but they make for a great, I mean, that's just the festive spices, guys. Why would you not include them? Anyway, add your spices. Oh, it's gonna start smelling incredible in this kitchen. Stir that till it starts to bubble. In goes your orange zest. Give that a good stir. Now, once that's boiled for about a minute, you want to take it off the heat. Now add your butter and you want to stir that till it emulsifies beautifully. This is salted butter, so it's adding a bit of salt, but I think we should add more anyway. It's cooling down the mixture because we're going to add our eggs, our egg. I recommend you use cold butter. Usually it's room temperature butter that we recommend, but this time cold butter works best because it's going to cool down that mixture nicely. We don't want to scramble our egg. Add your baking soda. Add your vanilla extract. Probably should have mentioned as well, you definitely need a gingerbread man cutter. Yeah, it wasn't in the ingredients list, but you need this. I'm gonna add me a pinch of salt. Going to crack my egg. Always recommend you crack your egg in a separate bowl before you add it to your mixture. Just, you know, in case you get any shells. You don't want to be digging through your mixture. Then add your whole egg in there and then stir. Add your flour. I'm gonna sift this in bit by bit till it gets nice and thick. An extra 80 grams. I'll put the total grams on the start credits. So the grams that you have, that is the correct amount. Let's go roll this out. So you want to grab some flour and lightly dust your surface. I don't know what face I was pulling just now. And then grab your cookie dough and then we'll just turn that out onto the table. This is gonna be good. Radar is going off. Now we'll just form the dough. Now you're gonna need some grease-proof paper and you're gonna need a rolling pin. All you gotta do is sandwich your dough between the two, like so, and we'll press it out. Come see. If I find a Ghanaian version of gingerbread, I will make it. Although putting nutmeg, ground nutmeg in anything makes it Ghanaian. And I added nutmeg to this, so technically this is the Ghanaian version. And I'm Ghanaian, so anything I make is the Ghanaian version. You're rolling it out to about, it's hard to say. You want about half a centimeter? Depends how thick you want your gingerbread. But half a centimeter seems reasonable. Maybe even less. Yeah, that's about right. Grab your mold and you just want to go through and grab some gingerbread. Starting from the edge maximizes how many you can get out. My tiny little ginger men. Ginger men. My No. That ain't right. My tiny little gingerbread man. Funny how one missing word changes the meaning of a of a sentence. Oh dear. But yeah, and we're not gonna faff around with icing, none of that. No. It adds literally nothing. It's just purely cosmetic, and I don't really like the taste of icing. You eat a gingerbread for the gingerbread, not the icing. But if you want to make icing, just follow the packet instruction on your icing sugar and you can pipe the designs that you want. Be my guest. And yeah, guys, you don't have to make gingerbread shapes, okay? This can be any shape you want. Yes, you can freeze this, by the way. I would recommend you get your molds out before you freeze them. Makes your life a lot easier. And I know there's gonna be someone in the comments going, you straight up changed the recipe, man. This ain't gingerbread no more. Fine. It's Gabe in the kitchen's gingerbread. How's that? This is Ghanaian gingerbread.
Gabriel, that's not how you make friends.
What?
That's not how you make friends, Meadow.
Get these in the oven. In they go. And I'll see you in 10 minutes. Don't take them out. What you're looking for is that nice golden crust starting to form on the outside, and all the wet. You'll notice the wet will be gone. And that's it. We'll leave it to cool. Transfer to a wire rack after 10 minutes. And there you have it. Delicious gingerbread men. I think that deserves a like, guys. I promised, I delivered. No need to put it in the fridge. This is ready to go. A lot of the recipes you find out there, you have to refrigerate for like 2 hours. Who has time for that? You want to cook, you want to eat. Now these are perfectly soft. Yes, now, before you start taking the mick out of my shapes, they're a little bit too close together in the oven, and they stuck. And I pull them apart, and you end up with these imperfections. Now, these make absolutely soft gingerbread. And for those of you who wanted it crunchy and not soft, just put it in, again, as I said, 5-6 minutes extra. That's all you need, and you will have perfectly, listen to this, crunchy gingerbread. That is absolutely our thing. This one's a bit misshapen, so I'll show you. Look, it is perfectly soft. If that's your thing, this is perfect for you. But as I said, leave it in longer. Oh my God, but the flavor on these is absolutely brilliant. The adding of that orange zest. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this festive treat of the traditional, I say traditional, of the typical festive treat, gingerbread, please leave a comment, leave a like, and let us know what you think. Right, we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, and Happy New Year, guys. Bye.